What's up, Closer Gang? Welcome to another video. Today, we're gonna talk about how to leverage your social media in real estate, in your business, and in everything that you guys are doing. We have multiple streams of social media, and a lot of people, there's a misconception out there that they believe,
hey, I can just take a video from one place, repurpose it, and upload it on the next place.
but guess what? Every little platform is different, and every platform after that changes. So if you want to hit all those algorithms and you want to grow yourself, you have to learn the differences in all platforms. And guess what, guys? I'm here to teach you that today. Guys, before we go ahead, I need you guys to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell button, and get notified anytime we put out videos. It means so much, it helps the channel grow, and hey, I'll show you a pretty cool pic right now if you do. Robbie, upload the turtle.
Could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise.
Let's get into it. We have a few platforms, and honestly, probably in real estate and in our field, the most interesting platforms right now, a lot of people may think LinkedIn, but I beg to differ. LinkedIn is great to connect with others and social people, but in the end of the day, I feel like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook is probably the top platforms to get buyers, sellers, renters, and also brand your company or even brand yourself as an agent or broker. Now guys, you guys are seeing me on YouTube, so you already know, hey, we're using this platform as well. But YouTube can be tricky. YouTube is a lot more work and it takes a lot more time to get recognition. Now, am I saying not to do YouTube? No, because obviously you see me right here doing YouTube. But YouTube should be a lot about knowledge, longer videos, and giving people something to invest themselves in. And at the end of the day, it's all about answering people's questions. It's a lot of investment because you have to keep it engaging, you have to keep shifting, you have to keep looking at different cameras, and you have to keep editing and popping things up on the screen like boom, bam, ba, 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 ja, ba. Sorry, Robbie. He's gonna have a lot of editing to do for that one. But you have to make it engaging in order for people to stay tuned because it's all about longevity. Because if not, it's going to be hard to get your video pushed. Nevertheless, you have platforms like TikTok, which is a silent killer today. And all you have to do is a few things. Find what's trending right now with music. Find what's trending right now with actual trends and repurpose them for your channel. And make sure that you're uploading as soon as possible. Find your analytics, which can be found on Creator Tools, and find the times that is the best to post. When is your audience actually engaging with you? When are they on TikTok? When are they actually searching in this platform? And what do they like? Find exactly what hits your audience, and guess what? All you have to do is repurpose trends, let it be funny, and put your personality out there. Make anywhere from a 5 to 30-second video, and boom, you're famous. Now, when it comes to Instagram, you have to build that audience. There's a cool feature such as Reels. Now, what may work on TikTok might not work on Reels, even though they're so similar to each other. But in the end of the day, there's also other ways to post. You have stories and you have your actual IGTVs and your posts. On Instagram, I find it super cool to post up cool pictures to give people a little bit of update on your life, post cinematic B-roll, which can actually go viral. Take your TikToks, post it as Reels as well, repurpose them, but also let out some IGTV. And what IGTV is, pretty much what YouTube is, but condensed from a 10-minute video all the way down to a 30 to 60-second video. And that's gonna engage with the audience, give them facts, answer questions, but quickly, without getting into details. I went viral a few times before. Let me give you guys a little bit of secret tips. There's not too much secrets. The honest truth is, get a cool video, make it funny, put up the trending tags, and repurpose a trend that's current in your way. Now, if you're seeing a trend out there that there's millions of videos, you're probably most likely not gonna blow up. But if you're seeing something that's just starting and everyone's catching wind of it, the Tinder swindler, then that's when you should jump on this trend. And that's when you should go and hit it. By the way, it's February 9. Netflix just released the show, and I think it's a funny trend for anyone to jump on and repurpose it to what they're doing in their niche. And guys, you want to know what's the biggest thing of them all? Hey, even bigger than me? Consistency, dedication, posting at all times. You gotta show your audience that you're trustworthy. You gotta show them that you're there for them. You gotta show that I'm gonna constantly post. I'm not just a one-hit wonder. I'm not gonna be here for 5 minutes of my fame and disappear from you guys. I'm here at all times, and I'm here to give you whatever you guys need. People wanna follow that. People wanna follow reliable people. So be reliable. And when you post consistently, guess what? The algorithm starts working in your favor. Now, I'm not sure if that's a myth or not, but I feel like it's a little bit truth. YouTube been teaching me that it's kind of true. And this is big, guys. This is very hard. Don't let your ego get in the way. A lot of times, if your audience is not liking certain things and you're seeing that the engagement is going down, always follow exactly what's getting more engagement and what's not. You guys have to shift and edit in order to connect with individuals. Sometimes things that you think might be cool or things that you're going on and on and on about, your audience might be like,
Hey, I heard it before, I'm fed up with it, and you keep repeating it, maybe you should taper it down a little.
or sometimes you might slack back on the editing and you might make a video not so engaging. So your audience might be like, this is boring, you're not keeping my attention span, and in order to keep it, you need to throw in a little sizzle. So, guys, pay attention to exactly what your audience likes, because in the end of the day, we're not here to please ourselves, we're here to please you. Furthermore, if you guys want to see anything else and you guys want to know anything else about social media and tips and tricks on how to grow, comment below and I'll create a video for it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the channel. Don't forget to comment below. And don't forget to hit that bell button. Sorry, Robbie. This is a lot of angles to edit. But I love you guys. Stay tuned. We're going to produce a lot more. And comment below what you guys want to see. Close the gang. We out. Like that. I like it like that. I like it like that.